Okay, once again, good morning. Yesterday's class we are discussing about fundamental principle of counting. Okay, a fundamental principle of multiplication. Dia, can you give the statement of fundamental theorem? Fundamental counting of multiplication.
If an event occurs in n different ways, followed by second event which occurs in n different ways, then the total number of ways of occurring of the event is m into n.
Is m into n. Okay, suppose an event occurs m ways and followed by another event. Another event occurs n ways means total occurrence is m into n. We are multiplying all those things m into n because we want the first event and we want the second event. So we have to multiply m into n. Okay. And we did 2 or 3 simple questions. Okay. So let's start with this one again. We can start with few more problems today. So in all these cases, listen children, we are thinking no repetition is allowed, isn't it? First case is allowing m ways. Second one we are taking it as n ways. So total number of ways is m into n, and we assume that there is no repetition. Okay. Write the question. Write this question. 3 persons enter a room. 3 persons enter a room where there are 5 vacant seats. Where there are 5 vacant seats. 3 persons enter a room where there are 5 vacant seats. In how many ways they can seat themselves? In how many ways can they seat themselves? Children, all of you switch on your video. All of you switch on. Being first period, you'll be feeling fresh. I want to see your switch on your video, all of you. Okay. So what is given here? 3 persons enter in a room. And how many seats are vacant there? 5 seats are there. Okay, and there are 5 seats. In how many ways they can seat themselves? So suppose I take the first person. So first person, he can occupy the seat in how many ways? Once the first person enters, how many seats will be available?
5.
5 ways. Okay, can occupy his seat in 5 ways. Similarly, the second person can occupy. Now, once the second person enters, there will be 4 seats vacant. So the second person can occupy it in 4 ways. And the third person, he can occupy it in 3 ways. So what is the total number of ways? Therefore, the required number of ways is, what is the total number? Required number of ways is in how many ways they can seat themselves? 5 into 4 into 3, it is same as
60.
It is 60. It is 60. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Can you recall what we learned yesterday? Write the next one. How many words can be formed? How many words can be formed out of the letters of the word? How many words can be formed out of the letters of the word magic? Out of the word magic. First one, by taking 3 letters at a time. First one, by taking 3 letters at a time. By taking 3 letters at a time. Okay, second one, by taking all letters at a time. Second one, you take all the letters at a time. What is the answer? So magic, it is a word made up of how many alphabets are there?
5.
5 alphabets. Okay, we are going to frame a 3-letter word. What will be the answer? The first question is, how many words can be framed using the 3 letters? So, among these 5 letters, the first place we can fill it in how many ways?
5.
5 ways. The next one, 4. The third one you can fill it in 3 ways. Isn't it? Achyut, is it okay? So what is the answer? Here the answer is, again it is 60 ways, isn't it? The second one is, you consider all the letters. We are going to take all the 5 letters. So the first place you can fill it in 5 ways. Second one you can fill it in 4 ways. The next one 3, 2, and the last one will be able to fill it in 1 way. Therefore, what is the total? The total is 120. Yeah, what's the answer?
120.
120. Just 120 ways. Is it okay? Is it clear? So the next model we are going to frame as a different one. That is again an important one. The next model. Write down the next one. How many 3 digits? So did you complete that one, previous one, Annette? You complete? Write the next one. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed? How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 if the digits can be repeated. If the digits can be repeated. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed if the digits can be repeated? So total, how many digits are there? We have 6 digits, isn't it? We want to frame a 3-digit number. So we have to fill the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So here, listen children, 1 second all of you listen. Here, no 0 is given. So Once hundreds place, we can take all the 6 numbers. But here, what is given here? You want an even number. How will you decide an even number? How will you check whether the number is odd or even?
Last should be 2, 4 or 6.
Yes, if the last digits, that is if in the ones place, if you are getting 2, 4 or 6, okay, it will be saying the even number. So here we start with ones place. So this ones place, we can fill it in how many ways? Ones place can be filled in.
6.
Is it 6? We want an even number. So suppose so is it possible to write 661 whether we will be getting an even number?
I meant
No.
100 place.
So and okay, we are checking starting with the ones place. Okay, here. So ones place it can be filled in how many ways? It can be filled with
3.
2, 4 or 6. So it can be filled in 3 ways. Now, as Achyut said, this tens place and hundreds place can be filled in. Tens place can be filled in. And what about the hundreds place? 6 ways. Why you are getting it 6 ways? What is given here?
Because the numbers can be repeated.
Very good. The numbers can be repeated. Okay, the same number we can use it again and again. So, although we are using one number here, again we have 6 numbers there. So, the tens place can be filled in 6 ways. Then hundreds place can be filled in, again it is in 6 ways. Therefore, total number of ways is, our required number is, so the required number is 3 into 6 into 6, and calculate the answer.
$108.
It is 108.
8.
Okay, children. In the same, is it clear? In the same question, suppose they ask no repetition. What will be the answer? Suppose there is no repetition. What will be the answer? Here we are allowing the repetition. So, if we are not allowing the repetition, in that case, that one's place can be filled in. Gauri, did you all complete up to this first part? First part, is it over? Yes. Now, try to solve it. No repetition. Suppose no repetition is not allowed. In that case, how many numbers can be formed? So, in that case, Gauri, can you tell me one's place in how many ways you can fill? Mute and unmute it. It is in 3 ways, okay. So one's place in 3 ways. Then, what about the tens place? No repetition is allowed. So one number already we have used. Total there are 6 digits. So one digit we have used. So how many will be left out? Tomlin. So the tens place can be filled in how many ways?
5 ways.
It is in 5 ways. Very good. And hundreds place it can be filled in. Ashwin Binay.
4 ways.
It is in 4 ways. Okay, because the number we are not using it again. So, and what is the total number of ways? Required number is 3 into 5 into 4. Find the answer.
60.
It is 60. Okay. Is it clear, children? If it is asked repetition and no repetition, is it clear? Is it okay? Shivani, is that method okay, Gayatri? If a number is repeated, means that number will not be changing. 6 digits are there, means again in the hundreds place we can use the 6 digits. Tens place also we can use the 6 digits. But no repetition means each time we will be reducing the number of digits by 1. Is it clear? Is it okay? Rijas? Okay, so the next model is again an important one. Write the next one. How many numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed? How many numbers lying between 100 and 1000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if repetition of digits is not allowed. If repetition of digits is not allowed. So what is asked? You are asked to find the numbers between 100 and 1000, isn't it? That means between 100 and 1000, how many digits will be there? How many digit numbers are there? Is it a 3-digit number or 2-digit number?
3.
It's a 3-digit number. Okay? We are going to find how many 3-digit numbers are there which lie between 100 and 1000. Now listen children, here 0 is given. And 0 is given, you have to keep it in mind, and we want a 3-digit number. So in the first place, hundreds place, will not be able to fill with 0, isn't it? So now tell me children, you can do this one and give the answer. In how many ways you can fill the hundreds? In how many ways you can fill the tens? And how many ways you can fill the ones? And what's the total? And it is given, no repetition is allowed. What is the answer, Aishwarya? Completed? Okay, tell me, Aishwarya.
60 ways.
60 ways. So before that, can you give how many? 60. Okay, what is the other answer? What about the others? Are you getting 60? Michael? Aishwarya, check it. Okay, check this. Is it correct? Michael, what's the answer you got? Michael? 60. Okay. Punya?
90.
90. Okay, 60, 90, 10. Gayatri?
91.
90. Achut? What's the answer you got?
I'm confused, ma'am.
Confused. Sania?
Ma'am, I got 100.
You got 100. Okay. Nandana? What's your answer?
100, ma'am.
100. Okay. Aditya? Aditya, Satyam, what is the answer? Aditya, Satyam.
Ma'am, I got 100.
You got 100.
100.
Okay. So now listen to this. Okay, this type of questions you will get not only for this 11th standard. When you go for any PSC exam or entrance exams, this type of questions will be there. Okay, when you go for any entrance-based exams, this type of questions will be there. Now look at this question. What is asked? How many three-digit numbers, that is, how many numbers between 100 and 1000 can be formed using these digits if the digits are not repeated? No repetition is allowed. So in the hundredth place, we will not be able to use 0. All the other digits we can use. Okay, so the hundredth place, we can fill it in how many ways? Is it in 5 ways? Hundredth digit, we can fill it in 5 ways, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I am using 3. So 1 digit we have used. Now look at the tens place. In tens place, 0 is allowed, isn't it? So we can include 0. So suppose one number we have selected. One number we have used for filling the hundreds place. Now for filling the tens place, how many numbers are left out?
5.
Again, 5 numbers are there, 5 digits are there. Suppose I am using 4. So again, if I used 4, here we have 5 digits left out. So the tens place, we can fill it in 5 ways. What about the ones place? Now we have used 2 numbers and no repetition is allowed. 1 digit we have used for 100, 1 digit we have used for tens. So out of 6, 2 digits we have used. So how many digits are now left out?
4.
4. So what is the answer? 5 into 5 into 4. What is your answer?
100.
100. Achut, is it clear, Achut? The confusion, is it okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am, ma'am, the ones place how we get 5.
Ones place 4 only we are getting, not 5.
I did not understand that.
So total how many digits are there? Is it 6 digits? Okay, we are starting with hundreds place because we need a 3-digit number and 0 is given. So in the hundreds place, this is the hundreds place I am writing, it's not ones. Okay, we are starting from hundreds. Because the restriction is on the hundreds place. In the hundreds place, we will not be able to fill with 0. So if you leave the 0, how many numbers are there? There are 5 ways. Now 1 digit we have used. So in the tens place, that one number we have used will not be able to use. And the remaining numbers are there. Out of 6, 1 digit only we have used. So now here 5 digits are left out. So in the tens place, we can fill it in 5 ways. What about the ones place? Now we have used 2 digits. So how many digits are left out now? Out of 6, we have used 2. So
4.
there will be 4. So it is 5 into 5 into 4. Is it okay? Is it clear
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What about Karthik? Anila
Yes,
Mohan,
ma'am.
is it okay? How many of you got that answer as 100? How many of your answer is 100? Okay, Sania, Gauri. Annette, what is your answer?
I got 90, ma'am.
90. Okay. So now you understood what's the mistake there? Okay. Is it clear, Karthik? Is it okay, Karthik?
Yes,
Navrin?
ma'am.
Navrin? What's the answer you got?
100.
100. Good. Okay. Just thinking on reasoning skill is needed here. This chapter is fully based on this. If you go for any competitive exam, most of the that type of questions only we are discussing in this class. Okay. Right on the next question. It's not by hearting. Okay, it's not by applying the formula and by hearting. Here you need some thinking skill. Right on the next one. How many numbers divisible by 5? How many numbers divisible by 5 are lying between 40,000 and 50,000? 40,000 and 50,000. How many numbers lying between 40,000 and 50,000 can be formed from the digits 0, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9. 0, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9 if the first one, repetition is allowed. First one, repetition is allowed. Second one, repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. What is asked? Listen to the question, children. How many numbers between 40,000 to 50,000 you can frame using these digits? And it should be divisible by 5. When will you say number is divisible by 5?
If it ends with 0 or multiple of 5.
0 or 5, isn't it? Multiple of 5 means it will be either 0 or 5. So, it should end with 0 or 5. Is it clear? Is it okay, children? We want the number divisible by 5. 43, is it divisible by 5? Is it divisible by 5? No, because we know that if your number is divisible by 5, then in the ones place we should have either 0 or 5. Okay, if we take 50, is it divisible by 5? 50, 50.
Yes.
Yes, surely it is divisible. If we take 100, it is divisible. If we take 99,
No.
because in the ones place there is no 0 and 5. What about 35?
Yes.
Yes. So one thing we can fix is in the ones place we'll be able to fill with 0 or 5. Isn't it? And check it whether 0 or 5 is it given in the digits? Is it given in the digits 0 or 5?
Yes.
Yes. So ones place, okay, there is some restriction. So we are starting within the ones place. So the ones place we can fill it with how many ways?
2.
2 ways. Only 2 ways are possible. Either we can fill it with 0 or 5. Is it clear? We want a number divisible by 5. So ones place it can be filled in only 2 ways. Now look at the question again. We want the numbers between 40,000 to 50,000. Okay? So all the numbers between 40,000 to 50,000 will start with the digit
4.
4, isn't it? If you take a number between 200 and 300, all the numbers will start with the digit 2, isn't it? 201, 202, 203, etc. up to 299. So if we take a number between 200 to 300, surely all the numbers will start with the digit 2. Is it clear? If we take a number between 300 and 400, all the numbers will start with the digit 3. Likewise here, all the numbers between 40,000 to 50,000. So 40,001, 40,002, etc. What is the last number? What will be the last number, Krishna Chandran?
49,999.
49,999. So all the numbers here they start with the digit 4. That one also we can fix. So first digit we can fix, Last digit we have fixed. So how many places are left out in between? 40,000 means how many digits are there?
5.
5-digit numbers. So 2 digits now left out. Now we have to think about only these 3 numbers, middle numbers. Okay. There are 2 cases given. If repetition is allowed or no repetition. Both the cases we are going to discuss. Is it clear up to this, Gayatri? Annette? Emmanuel is not there today. Emmanuel? Nia? Is it clear, Nia?
Yes, ma'am.
Femina is there? Femina? No. Okay, so this type of questions, okay, this is one sample question between 40,000 to 50,000. Like this, you can try with some other numbers. Okay, you can set some numbers and you can try, check. So now listen to this question. So, we 40,000 to 50,000 means, okay. So, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So, in 10,000s place, it will be always 4. Okay, ones place. Ones place, you can fill it with 5 or 0. It's with 5 or 0. So, let's do with the first one. Repetition not allowed. So the ones place, we can fill it in 2 ways. And 10,000 place, it is fixed to 4. So now tell me, okay, we are taking the case, repetition not allowed. So in how many ways we can fill the tens place? In how many ways we can fill the tens place? Once 10,000 place, it is already fixed. There is no change. And ones place, we can fill it with either 5 or 0. So what about the tens place? In how many ways you can fill the tens place if repetition is not allowed?
8.
8. Here,
3.
3. 3 ways. Is it correct? Suppose we have used 3, 0. Okay, suppose I have filled this ones place with 0. And this 10,000 place we have used 4. So now how many digits are left out?
4.
4. You will not get 3 because we will not be using 5 and 0. Either we will use 5 or 0. So among these 2 numbers, we will be using only one number. So 1 digit we have used here, 1 digit we have used. So we have used 2 digits. Among the 6 numbers, we have used 2 digits. So the tens place we will get in 4 ways. Is it clear, Achyut? Achyut, is
I
it clear?
didn't get.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't get Michael. Is it Michael or Emmanuel? Who is saying that?
I'm Shubham.
Shubham. Shubham, up this 4-digit 5-digit number, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you want a number divisible by 5. You want a number divisible by 5. So when you say number is divisible by 5, if it is ends with 5 or 0. If it ends with 5 or 0. Okay, so let's take one example and check. Suppose I am using 5 here. We have filled the ones place with 5. And already in the 10,000s place you have 4. In the 10,000s place you have 4. Now we have used 4 and 5. So now check how many digits are left out. How
3.
many?
3.
Is it 3? Check it. Is it 3 digits? 0.
1.
1. Which are the digits you can see on the board? Which are the digits you can see on the board? Can you read the digits, given digits?
0, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9.
So total how many digits are there?
6.
6. So we have used 2 digits, isn't it? 4 and 5. So how many are left out?
4.
4. So the tens place we can fill it in 4 ways. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now in hundreds place. Tell me the answer. Hundreds place. It can be filled in How many ways? We have used 2 and one more number we have used. So how many will be left out? Because no repetition is allowed.
3 ways.
It is 3 ways. And what about the thousands place? We can
2
fill it
ways.
in 2 ways. So what is the total number? So what's the total number? So total
48.
it is 48. So this is the case when repetition is not allowed. Okay, now consider the case when repetition is allowed. Consider the case when repetition is allowed. Okay, so when the repetition is allowed, the first place it is fixed 4. Now tell me how many ways you can fill the ones place. Although the repetition is allowed, in the ones place we can fill it in 2 ways. Is it correct?
Yes.
Because it should end with 0 or 5. What about the tens place?
6 ways.
Yes, very good. It is 6 ways because repetition is allowed. All the 6 numbers we can use. Okay. Then hundreds place we can fill it in 6 ways.
6 ways.
And the thousands place we can fill it in
5.
Okay. Is it 5? Suppose I am writing a number like this. 4,000. Same number we can use, isn't it? 4,005. Same number we can use. If repetition is allowed, the same digit we can use. So here also we will get 6 ways. And 10,000
Ma'am.
place. Yes.
Ma'am, the ones place we can use 0 or 5. Isn't
Yes.
it, ma'am?
Yes.
So when it comes to 1000 place, if it comes 0,
0. It is a 10,000 place, isn't it? Here repetition is allowed.
no ma'am, so it will become 40,000 sometimes.
If it is ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000. So in thousands place, if I put 0,
And it can ones place also can become 0. No, ma'am.
0, yes,
So there is a chance it becomes 40,000.
yes,
Is
yes.
it okay?
It is not allowed. Okay, wait, what you said is correct. What Achyut said, is it clear to you all? Suppose I am filling here with 0. Okay, what you said is correct. Okay, suppose I am filling here with 0. Here there is a chance you get 40,000. So what to do? Okay, let's see. Now for the time being, let us include 40,000. Okay, and what we do in the final number, we will reduce it by 1. Because 40,000 we are excluding. Is it clear? Is it clear, Achyut? So
Yes, ma'am.
thousands place it is 6 ways. So what is the total you will get? Total is 6 into 6 into 6 into 2. So that is, what is the answer?
432.
From 432, we should subtract 1. So what is the required number? Required number is 432 minus 1. Because among this number, one number will be 40,000. And we need a number between 40,000 to 50,000. So it is 432 minus 1. So answer is?
Ma'am,
Yes.
30,000 can also come, right?
30,000, how it will come? We have fixed the first place as 4. First place we have fixed. 10,000 place it is already fixed. We are not changing that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we go through it in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubt, in the next class we can clear it.
Thank you, ma'am.
So time up, go through this one. Okay, and be ready with your record book during the next class. Lab activity. Okay, children. Thank you.